Hello, my ocean friends! I'm Ballerina Cappuccina. Today, we'll dive into the sea and learn about sea animals. Wow! Look at these bubbles! Let's swim deeper to find some sea animals. Oh, a dolphin! The dolphin swims fast. Can you say dolphin? Great! Dolphin! Look, a shark! Wow, it's big! Don't worry, it's a friendly shark. Can you say shark?
Good job, shark!
Oh, look! An octopus! Let's count the arms. 1, 2, 3, 8 arms. Can you say, look! A turtle! It moves so slowly and smoothly. Can you say turtle? Good job, turtle! Look at the colorful fish! So many colors. Can you say fish? Yes! Fish! Wow! A whale! It's so big! Listen, the whale sings. Can you? Wow, a jellyfish! It looks like it's dancing underwater. Can you say jellyfish? Good job! Orange clownfish smiles. It's so cute! Can you say clownfish? Yes! Clownfish! Look, a starfish. It has 5 arms like a star. Can you say starfish? Perfect! Ringed seal claps flippers. Can you clap too? Yay! Seal! Stingray glides. It moves so smooth. Can you say stingray? Great job, stingray! Oh, a seahorse. So tiny and pretty. Can you say seahorse? Yes, seahorse! Penguin swims and slides. Whee! Can you say penguin? Good job, penguin! Orca splashes high. Wow! Can you say orca? Yes, orca! A crab. It walks sideways like this. Can you say crab? Yes, crab! Let's remember, seal, stingray, clownfish, penguin, and orca. Great job! See you next dive. Bye-bye, friends!